নমস্কার, class 5 subject science. In the previous class we learned how the food we eat get digested in our body. The food moves through the mouth and stomach and inside intestine, which are all organs in the digestive system. There are mouth, then the food transferred into stomach, then intestine, then the food are digested. An organ is a part of the body that does the special kind of work. Two or more organs work together to form an organ system. The organ system is responsible for the major bodily function. If an organ is like a worker, then an organ system is like a team, because there are many organs in the team. The various organs system in the human body are briefly described below. Organ system: first, skeletal system, conchal, cell system, bones and cartilage. Function: provide the structure and support to body and protect delicate internal organs. Organ system: muscular system. Organ system, that means muscular system. Important organs: different kinds of muscles and ligaments. Function: responsible for movement of our body and body parts. Then organ system, it is the main important system, digestive system. Important organs are teeth, food pipe, stomach, liver, intestine, duodenum. Function: breaks down and absorb food. Organ system: respiratory system. Respiratory system, the important organs: nose, windpipe and lungs. Function: absorb the fresh air and throw out stale air. The oxygen in the fresh air breaks down food to release energy. Organ system: circulatory system. Important organs: heart, blood, arteries and veins. Function: move blood throughout the body, carrying the nutrition and to every part and bringing back wastage. Organ system: the nervous system. Important organs: brain, spinal cord, nerve and sensory organs. That means 5 sensory organs: eyes, ears, nose, teeth, buds and skin. Function: control function of our body parts and help body to interact with the surrounding. Okay, you read very carefully this page number 36. And next, other two organs: respiratory system, the kidneys and Important organs: kidneys, rectum, anus and skin. Helps body clean to throwing out wasted and poisonous substance. Organ system: reproductive system. Important organs: ovaries and female in female and testes in males. Function: helps to create new life by giving birth to baby. Okay, namaskar.